is your AI briefing for May 28, 2026, with 12 stories. Story 1. NVIDIA bets $150 billion on Taiwan as Trump's plan to make US an AI hub backfires. NVIDIA commits $150 billion annually to Taiwan, positioning it as an AI epicenter as US policy shifts. It is one of NVIDIA's largest foreign capacity commitments, aimed at anchoring chip supply, packaging, and AI build-outs closer to TSMC. The move deepens Taiwan's role in the AI supply chain while US fabs continue to lag in scale. NVIDIA's AI epicenter in Taiwan is just supply chain realism dressed up as geopolitics, while Washington gets the bill for pretending fabs can be willed home. Story 2. DeepSeek, Xiaomi just made frontier AI 99% cheaper. American labs went the other way. DeepSeek and Xiaomi slashed prices, making their frontier AI models 99% cheaper than GPT 5.5 and Claude Opus through consecutive price cuts from China's leading labs. The cuts target model access and inference pricing, forcing rivals to match far lower margins to stay competitive. Enterprise customers now have a cheaper path to frontier-grade systems outside US labs. China's labs are turning frontier AI into a commodity, and American pricing power is the loser. 99% cheaper means the moat was mostly marketing. Story 3. Companies that adopted AI agents alarmed to discover they're botching incredibly important tasks. AI agents restart services without full system visibility, causing cascading failures across downstream processes they cannot comprehend. The agents trigger restarts or deployments without understanding service dependencies, so one automated fix knocks over unrelated systems. Operations teams then have to add guardrails, approvals, and rollback controls to prevent self-inflicted outages. These agents are doing root cause theater. One restart can ripple through the whole stack when the bot can't see the blast radius it creates. Story 4. Websites have a new way to spy on visitors. Analyzing their SSD activity, telltale SSD patterns are now detectable via browser JavaScript, enabling websites to monitor visitors' storage behavior through simple code execution. A JavaScript snippet can observe storage-induced timing differences that reveal how a device's SSD behaves under load. That gives site operators a new fingerprinting channel even when users clear cookies. Browser JavaScript reading SSD patterns is a privacy nightmare dressed as research, and users lose the moment simple code execution becomes surveillance. Story 511 Labs. Stability AI drop. New AI music models. Can they catch Suno? 11 Labs Music V2 enables genre shifting and section-by-section composition, while Stable Audio 3.0 offers open weights with 6-minute track generation. 11 Labs added genre changes and section-level arrangement control, while Stability AI released open-weight music generation that can output tracks up to 6 minutes long. The launches target creators who want more direct control than current hit tools provide. 11 Labs and Stability AI bring useful knobs genre shifts, open weights, 6-minute tracks, but Suno still owns the mindshare and the actual music-obsessed audience. Story 6. Your SEO strategy is optimized for a search engine that no longer exists. Google I/O announced AI-generated answers now dominate search results, leaving brands with minimal visibility into how they're described to customers. Brands must now optimize for citation and inclusion inside AI summaries, not just traditional rankings. This shifts SEO work towards structured data, answer quality, and brand monitoring across generated responses. Google didn't kill SEO so much as replace it with a black box, and brands now pay for content that AI may summarize without ever sending the click. Story 7. IT Bench AA. Frontier models score below 50% on the first benchmark for agentic enterprise IT tasks by Artificial Analysis and IBM. The benchmark measures long-horizon enterprise workflows that require agents to use IT tools, not just answer questions. Low scores show current frontier systems still struggle with reliable execution in real business environments. Frontier models scoring under 50% on enterprise IT tasks is the least surprising number in AI. Agents still can't reliably do office plumbing. Story 8. YouTube to start automatically tagging videos that make significant use of AI. YouTube deploys AI detection to prominently flag deepfakes and synthetic content, shifting warnings from hidden descriptions to visible video positions. Videos with substantial AI-generated elements will receive a clear label on the watch page, making synthetic footage harder to miss. The change is aimed at deepfakes and altered clips that can mislead viewers during fast-moving news cycles. YouTube is turning AI labeling into a UI warning label, which helps viewers more than creators who'll now wear a synthetic content stigma up front. Story 9. Google Book. Google unifies Android and Chrome OS for AI-powered laptops. Google launches Gemini-powered Google Book, merging Android and Chrome OS into AI-first laptops after past PC experiments failed. The system runs Android and Chrome OS on a single laptop stack with Gemini embedded for on-device assistance and app continuity. Google is betting the merged platform can finally create a credible PC option after earlier hardware setbacks. Google Book is another Chromebook with a larger lanyard pitch. Gemini gets the marquee, while the old PC graveyard of failed experiments stays unmentioned. Story 10. Tab 9 named a visionary in the 2026 Gartner Magic Quadrant for Enterprise AI Coding Agents. The recognition highlights Tab 9's focus on enterprise controls like policy enforcement and context-aware assistance for development teams. It can help customers adopt coding agents while keeping oversight requirements in place. Gartner's Visionary Badge mostly rewards enterprise checkbox theater. Tab 9 sells governance and context, while developers get another controlled AI lane. Story 11. China is increasingly keeping its best AI talent to itself. Beijing's AI boom generates world-class researchers, with officials now actively discouraging their emigration to foreign institutions. Authorities are tightening the talent pipeline by using incentives and pressure to keep researchers in domestic labs and companies. That shift raises the odds that China's most advanced work will be developed for local institutions rather than overseas rivals. Beijing is doing brain drain triage in reverse, keeping its best AI researchers home while foreign labs lose the cheapest route to Chinese expertise. Story 12. Robinhood launches AI agent trading and credit card tools. Robinhood deploys a model context protocol server enabling third-party AI agents to trade equities and manage spending on its platform. The MCP server lets external agents execute trades and card actions through Robinhood's own APIs instead of separate integrations. That opens the platform to automated financial workflows from consumer and enterprise AI systems. Robinhood is inviting third-party agents to trade your stocks and spending, which is either convenience or a beautifully automated way to amplify bad decisions. That is the briefing for today.